Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Seat. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got the brand new Seat Ibiza. Of course, it has had its mid-term facelift, as you can see, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, cornering lights. You then also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of these 16-inch alloys in what design you get, and of course what patterns they have. Around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors, partial LED tail lights. We've got plenty of space inside of the tailgate, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see the interior has been changed. You now have a dark blue with a black interior. You've got ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got all the hexagonal designs inside as well. Electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. Inside we've got your DSG gearbox, as this is the DSG variant. You've then got your air conditioning controls in the middle, and then we have your infotainment display in the middle, which has satellite navigation as standard. You've then also got these various audio sources as standard as well. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, and you also have your full link, which enables Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel, you'll see that you do have your cruise control to the left with your audio volume on the outside. Over on the right, you have your track select, Bluetooth hands-free, and your onboard computer controls. As you can see, it is still in transport mode by this little symbol up at the top. And then you do, I'll show you quickly all your different views. So you do have the choice of 3, as you can see there. Going back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Seat Ibiza, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.